Are you looking for a secret ingredient to boost the health and productivity of your tomato plants? Look no further than your morning cup of coffee. Introducing the incredible benefits of using coffee grounds on your tomatoes. Coffee grounds are a natural and readily available fertilizer that can work wonders for your tomato plants. And the best part? It's a sustainable way to recycle your coffee waste. First and foremost, coffee grounds are rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital for healthy plant growth, robust foliage, and abundant fruit production. The nitrogen in coffee grounds helps promote vigorous leaf development, resulting in larger, greener leaves that can maximize photosynthesis. Coffee grounds also improve soil structure and drainage, preventing waterlogged soil and reducing the risk of root rot. By adding coffee grounds to your soil, you're enhancing its organic matter content, which fosters a healthy soil ecosystem for beneficial organisms like earthworms. Additionally, coffee grounds can act as a natural deterrent to certain garden pests. The strong scent of coffee can help repel slugs, snails, and even some insects. Remember to water your tomato plants adequately after applying coffee grounds, as they can be slightly acidic. But fear not, because the acidity level diminishes over time, contributing to a more balanced pH in the soil. So, the next time you make your morning brew, don't discard those coffee grounds. Give your tomatoes an organic boost by incorporating coffee grounds into your gardening routine. Unlock the full potential of your tomato plants with coffee grounds. Watch your garden thrive and enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious homegrown tomatoes. The power of coffee grounds. Nourish your tomatoes naturally.